In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Calendly meeting reminders. If you want to reduce no-shows and make sure people remember their upcoming meetings, setting up automatic reminders in Calendly is a simple and effective way to do it. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get everything configured and working properly. To begin, log into your Calendly account. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Scheduling. This is where your event types are managed, and it's the section you'll use to control the settings for the meetings you offer. Next, select the specific event type for which you want to automate reminders. This is important because reminder settings are typically managed at the event level, so you'll want to make sure you're editing the correct meeting type before moving forward. After opening the event type, go to the Notifications and Workflows section. In this area, you'll find the communication settings related to that event, including the reminder options that Calendly can send automatically to invitees. Now, locate either email reminders or text reminders under Basic Notifications. Depending on your plan and setup, you may see one or both options available. If you don't see the reminder feature or it appears unavailable, you may need to upgrade to a Calendly plan that supports automated reminders. If that's the case, complete the upgrade first, then return to the same event settings. Once the reminder option is available, turn it on by clicking the toggle that currently says Off. Enabling this setting activates the automatic reminder for that event type. After that, choose when the reminder should be sent before the meeting. Calendly usually gives you timing options such as a certain number of minutes, hours, or days in advance. Pick the timing that makes the most sense for your audience and the type of meeting you're hosting. If editing options are available, customize the reminder message. This is a good place to keep the message clear and professional so attendees know exactly what the reminder is about. A short, direct message usually works best for both email and text. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. This ensures your reminder settings are applied and ready to use. As a final check, book a test meeting to confirm the reminder is sent automatically. Testing is a smart step because it helps you verify that the reminder timing, delivery method, and message all work as expected before real invitees start receiving them. Thanks for watching.